A lot of people have been wondering where the Z is. It's getting a built motor. Starting today, we're gonna pull the engine out. Hello. All right, she's in the garage as far as we're gonna have it for the day. We're gonna take the bumper off, start disconnecting the exhaust, drain all the coolant out, and then figure out what's going on from there. Oh, all the harness off the top, obviously. So
I saw that movement back there.
everything's off the top. We're about to drain the coolant, the bumper's off and everything. So we're gonna unbolt the exhaust and move on from there.
And we out. So much work to do on the engine bay.
I missed a lot of that, but still, this engine without stupid. 13's fine.
Penis. Erectile dysfunction.
It's okay, he's going to edit.
Dick. Balls. Alright, we got carried away. Last clip was a long time ago, but engine is out. This turbo has a little bit of oil in it, but nonetheless, that doesn't matter. Everything's out. This guy puts in so much work. Check out all of his cars.
Safe.
RB30 300ZX drag car and a 240 with an RB25 Neo. But anyway, we have the jack stand holding the trans up so that it doesn't mess up the mounts. This is John. John stopped by for a while and helped us out. You can't see it out there, but John has a 2011 Mustang GT, which is beautiful. Very unique car, actually. He's got a bunch of parts on there that not a lot of people run. So cool cars everywhere today except mine, because mine has 0 horsepower and the light is shutting off.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
I think that was.
We're just draining out the rest of my radiator, and I noticed there's a nail in it. But the nail curved, and it's hard to see it. It never touched the micro channel. So this is fine. It just damaged the fins. What the heck, dude? That's lucky. We're starting to take some stuff apart. So the crank pulley's off, clutch is off. Like I said, this guy puts in work. I'm not putting in any work today. I'm over here. If anyone watched Intake, this is a 3-beer job. I'm on number 1. So John is elevating his alcoholism. Oh yeah, and we found out that in the oil, definitely there was some bearing material, so she gone, but we're rebuilding it anyway, so righto.
What was that? Me lowering my alcohol.
Sounded like Godzilla, bro.
So we got the timing covers off and everything. It's all still so clean in here. We did find out that when I had to take the engine back apart in the car, I ended up putting it back together. 1 tooth off, so all my VG boys, we all do it. We've all done it.
90% of VGs.
So we're just taking it all apart now. I'm gonna buy another new timing kit and a new gasket kit. I have heads already built for this car, which are complete head job on them. So we're not reusing these heads. So for now, I don't know if I really explained what we're doing. We're gonna leave the turbos on the heads when we take them off. That way they're just easier to store. Because I have Garrett GT 675 RS turbos ready to go on the new heads. So just to make it easier for when we take this to the machine shop tomorrow, we're leaving as much together as we can to expedite the process of taking it all apart. But yeah, we'll give an update when probably the plenum at least is off, and if not, we'll do it when the heads are off.
Hunter, this tensioner was tight.
Why is not? Because we have a giant turbo in it.
I'm up.
Oh, dude, the turbo feed.
Oh, it's okay. I'm holding the fucking block.
Oh,
follow me. Follow me.
Boost.
That's fine. They're disconnected from the other side.
The show must go on.
The show must go on.
The valves look decent, dude. This one is hurt a little. These are clean, dude.
What is this?
Carbon?
Oh.
It's just carbon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll stop recording.
Okay, we have the first head off, so
Never use this garbage.
never use
Stock
stock
head
head gaskets,
This is garbage.
especially with ARP studs.
This is garbage.
Yeah.
Exactly. Especially with the ARP stud, they require more torque. So
So also, we found out why it's smoking.
the walls are scratched pretty bad.
That's a real big scratch right there.
Yeah.
So the compression was good on it. I mean, it wasn't perfect. They were like
140.
130 to 140, but a big scratch on the wall is definitely going to cause
This
smoke.
definitely explains the smoke and, you know,
Loss of compression.
all the issues you've been having.
So, it's a good thing we're rebuilding it anyway. But good old VG, she ran so good like this, even with everything wrong with it, bro.
Look at the intakes. Intake ports, they're just like the RB26, same shape. Actually, these are a little bit bigger where the injector sprays.
So to anyone saying VGs are unreliable or they aren't tough, this engine was
No, they're definitely tough.
off timing. It had scratched walls and there was metal in the oil, and this thing ran like this for a year, boosting hard and being enjoyed. So these engines are tough, man.
They are very tough.
Great engines. Thanks again to this guy. So much help. Thanks to John. We're going to get the other head off, and then that'll be it for the night.
Oh my. $60.
Bro. Ready?
Mhm.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. That needs to flip so we can get the...
Ooh.
It's a lot of oil in there.